Habakan tho halo ka jingdon ka jingujo persha yu Director General of Police DGP bamenta ka jala Dr. Laja Ram Bisnoy dau Assistant Inspector General AIG Barim uba Gabriel ki yang rai nakaliang sembut mitrang ba ka jala Meghalaya badai pe yaknat kampoyeng uba persatuan tensong uloong ka Jingtohkit halo ka ni ka benta kalaya Khmat. Habajubab sigilat patai kubor hakano pai singi ka shipho trik jumang arjar pusau usembut mitrang ba ulapan pau baka ain kan Trei laka kam Watla ka de yanui nuru kumman syukudo bau DGP bamenta ulasa ujo dak ejahar haswadal police station haka khandai tarik jemang arjar pusau kumju dak jingmudui show chief secretary ka jela halo ka jingkno bau le thok ya ka registration number kali ka bau pendan kam.
We received the FIR yesterday afternoon relating to that fake number plate or something. So now the case has been registered and the investigation has just started. So please give space, let the investigation be on, and thereafter let the law takes it. So for us, our duty is what? When FIR was filed, we need to attend to this, and the attention of the government has been drawn. That's what I'm telling you. We have already registered. And then the investigation have just started.
So action will be taken, sir?
Sir, what action are you talking about?
Regarding this fake number plate,
action is investigation has just started. Okay, that is the action right now. Investigation has just started.
But sir, he retires. What action will that going to take? He's going to retire.
See, as I said to you now, don't ask that question, because see, me or you, we cannot come to a conclusion. Because see, once we register, as I said to you, investigation. After investigation, we have to again file affidavit to the court about the detailed investigation that we made.
Sir,
Then only, I'll tell you, we'll be able to know exactly when the court says yes, this is wrong or this is right. Okay?
Sir, the complaint is also against members of that inquiry committee into the vehicle purchase. So will action be taken against those members of the inquiry committee from the police
Let me
department?
just tell you one thing. Yes, in the FIR, I think the person who filed FIR, he draw the line again to the old case. And this old case, it becomes existing case because the court has yet to decide anything. So I will not reply on that at all because the case is still on. So let the court decide.